Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my other video. Today in this video we will learn a story, A Thirsty Crow. Once a crow was thirsty. He flew here and there in search of water. It was the month of June. The month was very hot. The crow did not find water. It had not rained for some days, so the tanks and ponds had no water at all. After a long labor, he saw a pitcher. He flew to the pitcher. He found that water was just at the bottom of the pitcher. He tried his best to reach his beak into the water, but he could not succeed. He saw some pebbles lying nearby. He carried the pebbles and dropped them into the pitcher. The water was started rising. Then crow drank water and flew away. Moral: there is a will, there is a way. Another moral is necessity is the mother of invention. Another moral is God help those who help themselves. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel to watch my new video on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.